welcome to Butterflies, you guys. So just a few quick rules before you go in. Alright, so the butterflies like to land on the ground, so just be careful where you're walking.
Yeah, no running.
No running, exactly, because we don't want to accidentally step on a butterfly. And lastly, and most importantly, we don't want to be touching or trying to pick up any of the butterflies because they're very delicate. But you can let them land.
This is the National Weather Service office at Brookhaven National Laboratory in Upton, New York. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA Hazards Radio Public Warning System on station WXM80 in New York. During dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of this signal and receiver performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service at 11 a.m. each Wednesday.
The giant owl with the two owls.
The test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can sometimes occur, even though you are using a good quality receiver and good working order. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: on Long Island in southeast New York, Nassau, and Suffolk, and in southern Connecticut, Fairfield, Middlesex, Newton, London. Once